This is the Blackview OSCAL Pilot 3, a rugged 5G smartphone with a bold mission to combine military-grade toughness with a powerful tech package featuring AI-powered cameras, a generous battery, and the new Android 15. It's here to compete with the big names in the rugged phone world, but does it really deliver on all fronts? Let's dive into the specs and find out if the Pilot 3 is the right companion for your daily grind or your next adventure. As always, the best deal link is in the description and pinned in the first comment. Weighing 357 grams and measuring just 14.5 millimeters thick, the Pilot 3 is lighter than most rugged phones without sacrificing durability. It follows the IP68/IP69K standards and is certified with a military standard for drop, dust, and water resistance. Blackview also put effort into the look. It comes in black or orange with reinforced corners and Gorilla Glass 5 protecting the screen. This is the kind of phone built for reliability in any setting, whether you're out in the field, on a job site, or deep in the wilderness. One of the highlights of the OSCAL Pilot 3 is the display. It features a 6.78-inch 2.4K IPS panel with a smart 120Hz refresh rate. You get accurate colors, wide viewing angles, and solid outdoor visibility, all protected by Gorilla Glass 5. According to Blackview, the screen-to-body ratio is 86%, offering an immersive experience for watching videos, reading, or navigating even under direct sunlight. At its core, the Pilot 3 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, a 6nm octa-core chip with 5G support and speeds up to 2.4 GHz. Paired with the Mali G-Fight 7 MC2 GPU, it delivers reliable performance for multitasking, social media, and even some light gaming. It comes with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, expandable virtually to 24 GB, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage for faster read-write speeds. And yes, it supports microSD expansion up to 2 TB. When it comes to cameras, the Pilot 3 offers a surprising setup. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel Samsung ISO cell with f1.8 aperture and advanced AI tools for sharper, more balanced photos. For low-light or nighttime use, it packs a 20-megapixel Sony night vision camera, perfect for field documentation. The front camera is also impressive, 32 megapixels, ideal for selfies and video calls. It records video in 2K at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 30 frames per second, more than enough for most users. And best of all, it comes with smart AI editing tools for easy post-processing right on the device. The Pilot 3 is powered by a 7,500 mAh battery, a solid capacity that easily delivers 2 to 3 days of moderate use. It supports 33-watt fast charging via USB-C and even features 6-watt reverse charging, letting you power up accessories or other devices on the go. It's not the biggest battery in the rugged segment, but it strikes a good balance between weight and long-lasting power. Blackview didn't cut corners in connectivity. It supports global 5G bands, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC for contactless payments, assistant payments, and a complete navigation suite with GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, and QZ's SS. You also get FM radio, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and USB-C with OTG support. It checks all the boxes in terms of modern connectivity. The Pilot 3 runs DocOS 4.1 based on Android 15, a modern, stable system packed with features. Blackview also promises regular updates, which is always a plus in this segment. A standout here is the AI integration. The phone includes a voice assistant powered by DeepSeek R1 and is compatible with ChatGPT and Gemini, allowing smart voice commands, real-time transcription, and more. There's also a workspace app that neatly separates your work and personal spaces, great for staying organized. The Blackview OSCAL Pilot 3 is already available on AliExpress, with prices ranging between $198 and $232, depending on the seller and active promotions. It's an excellent value for anyone looking for a rugged phone that's modern, powerful, and lighter than traditional models. The purchase link is right here in the description and pinned comment. So, is the OSCAL Pilot 3 worth your money? If you're looking for a tough smartphone with solid performance, reliable cameras, and truly useful AI features, the Pilot 3 delivers a well-rounded package. It stands out with Android 15 out of the box, great camera choices, a lighter build for a rugged phone, and competitive pricing. What could be better? Maybe faster charging and stereo sound. But overall, it's an excellent pick for anyone who needs durability without giving up modern features. So, what do you think of the Blackview OSCAL Pilot 3? Does it check all the boxes for your next rugged phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new tech reviews. Check the links in the description to learn more and grab yours at the best price. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.